Welcome back. A companion site to Notebook LM is Google Illuminate, and you can find it at illuminate.google.com. Illuminate, as of the recording of this video, is still in the experimental stage. When you come to the home page, you're going to see research papers that are summarized you can listen to by audio. You're going to see different books that can be summarized by listening to the audio. The benefit of working with Illuminate is being able to find research on your specific topic. You can click on the Generate button. And when you click on the Generate button, you're going to notice that you can search for a topic or paste in a PDF URL. Illuminate works with the Cornell research database called Archive. When you place your cursor in here in this area, you can look to see if your topic area has been covered. And when you put your topic in, you may see some articles that may be relevant. You can tick to add these articles to your Illuminate dashboard. What we are now going to do is we're going to click the Add button. What you're going to notice here is that Illuminate then places these articles here in this area. What we can then do is we can click the Generate button. Now, one of the things that you'll notice is as a recording of this video, you have a minimum number of generations that you can do. We're going to go ahead and click Generate. What Illuminate will be doing is it will be drafting the audio summary of your documents. Once you have the elements, you can then save your discussion to your library. Your library will have your discussion. You can edit the name, and you can then click Save. Now, there's more processing that needs to be done in order to add this information to Notebook LM, and we will undertake that in the next video. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in the next video.